This video, I'll be introducing our school scheduling system. So, when you open this website, it will prompt you to enter your password, and you'll have to type your password. After that, you're going to be able to create a project for your schedule. First, you create a project. I'll use the name demo. Okay. After the project is created, you have to upload your files, which contains the data of your students. It automatically generates the settings files, and then you'll be able to use the website to generate result and export files. So let me upload my files. Data.csv contains all students' first choice courses. Each line contains 7 courses, and this contains all of the data for every single student. In course amount.json, it shows the intended amount instances of each course that is planned to be opened. In restrictions, you are able to set your own restrictions. For example, conflicts, which courses cannot be opened in the same period, or how many classrooms does your school have in total, and how many. So some classes might take multiple amounts of classrooms. For example, interdisciplinary studies takes 4. And also, you are able to ban certain courses from certain time blocks. In course tag, this is generally for formatting. You are able to set a grade, a curriculum type, and a course type for every single tag, and then you'll and when you want to generate the final schedule, you can actually sort by these values. And this is the master schedule. Basically, our system works by setting all like these 5 periods to 0, which means that these 5 periods will be always the same class. And instead of actually optimizing 40 periods a day, we only optimize 8 blocks, which is a lot more computationally efficient. Okay. After you upload your files with the correct formatting, you go to optimization. You can change your optimization settings. For simplicity, I'll set it to 100. Now the system will start optimizing the schedule. You can see the score is very low right now, which is because some of the restrictions are not met yet. When the system gets a better result, it will automatically update it to this information bar. And once the score goes near 0, it would actually begin the optimization process by actually arranging the courses while meeting all of the restrictions. This system starts with one randomized schedule and then attempts to gradually shift its composition to form your final schedule. It's decently reliable, and if you're not satisfied with your results, you can always try lifting some of the constraints or just trying the process multiple times. Now we have this current schedule generated. You can see it's defaulted to sort by curriculum. This doesn't look very good, but there are better downloads here. After you've run the code, you can now export and download it. Okay, so we select our projects, and then we can export course block counts. Okay, now which I generated this. Wow. This file contains the amount of students assigned to every single course in every single time block. Remember, we had the numbers for the indication. So for this example, all of the time periods that were labeled as number 2, we have accelerated economics with 13 students. The second file contains student assignments. This gives us the format of the student ID, which is basically just the order of how you inputted your student information, and which courses they take in which block. You will notice that some numbers are probably missing and some lines are not filled. This is because it is with the current schedule, these students are not able to be completely fulfilled of their first choice. And then you can up with the curriculum structure. The curriculum structure contains a general sheet of which period times has which courses. In our school, we use colors to indicate that, which this is just 0, 1, 2, 3. It's the same thing as you've seen before. And the courses are sorted by their type, which you've put in the course labels. If you ran into problems, you can simply open our user guide page for additional information. After running this program for multiple hours, we managed to optimize our school schedule from only being able to fulfill the first choice of 75% of all students to not 93%, which I would call a great increase. This system is currently in use in our school, and we will be teaching other students and teachers how to use this system, so our school can keep using it even after we've graduated. Thank you for listening to this presentation.